This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a digital marketing roadmap step by step. First, begin by understanding the foundational elements of digital marketing. This involves grasping the various channels such as search engine optimization, social media, and email marketing. Next, clearly define your target audience, understanding their needs and online habits. Then, establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives for your marketing efforts. Finally, research your competitors to identify opportunities and gaps in the market. Once you have a foundational understanding, focus on building practical skills. Dedicate time to mastering search engine optimization, which is crucial for organic visibility. Next, delve into paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and various social media ad managers to drive targeted traffic. Develop compelling content marketing strategies and learn how to effectively engage audiences on social media. Additionally, explore email marketing and automation tools to streamline your communication efforts and nurture leads efficiently. With your skills in place, it is time to focus on strategy and execution. Develop a comprehensive content calendar to ensure consistent and valuable content delivery across all platforms. Implement A/B testing for various elements like ad copy or landing pages to continuously improve performance. Regularly analyze your campaign data to identify what is working and what needs adjustment, allowing for informed optimization. Finally, strategically allocate your marketing budget to maximize return on investment across your chosen digital channels. The final, crucial step is to measure your efforts and continuously evolve. Consistently track key performance indicators to monitor your progress against objectives. Leverage powerful analytics tools to extract actionable insights from your data, guiding future decisions. It is vital to stay updated with the rapidly changing digital marketing landscape, including new platforms and algorithm updates. Furthermore, actively network with other professionals to share knowledge and learn best practices, ensuring your skills remain sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.